Problem 3. Two classes A and B are going on a field trip, but there is only one bus that can carry one class at a time. The walking speed of Class A is 3 kilometers per hour. The walking speed of Class B is 4 kilometers per hour. And we know that the speed of the bus is 48 kilometers per hour. If the two classes were to arrive at their destination in the shortest amount of time as possible, what is the ratio of the amount of distance Class A walked compared to the amount of distance Class B walked? This time, because the two speeds of the classes are different, it means that the amount that you walk in order to get to the destination in the shortest time possible will have to be a little different. So I'm going to make the faster class do a bit more walking because, it's faster and it doesn't make sense to put the slower class because in the same amount that Class A walks, Class B walks 4/3 of it. Okay. So our first step is to create the sketch. We have 2 points, and I'm gonna call it O and P, and we're gonna be tracking A and B. So just as always, we write it like this. We know that A is slower, let's first let A go on the bus. So the bus, and it takes A over here, and then it goes B has already been there, and it goes to point P, their destination. And these two areas are straight lines because this is where they walk. So now we can make the ratio. Let's first compare maybe the velocity of B to the speed of the bus. So, this compared to the velocity of the bus, I'll just write bus, is equal to 4 compared to 48, which is equal to 1 to 12. So if this amount were 1 unit, then it means that the amount of distance that the bus walked as B walked this much was 12 units. So when B was walking from here to here, the bus went from the starting line, dropped off A, and came back. So this entire section is 12 units. Take away the 1 unit at the beginning, and you have 11 units. So this middle part right here is for 5.5 units. And now we're going to compare the bus with A. So after comparing those two, we get 1 to 16. But now we can't just call this 1 unit. We can't just do that because those are different sized units now. So what we have to do is, we can still set it as 1 unit, but this time maybe I'll add a circle around it to show that it's a different type of unit. And if this is 1 unit, then we know that this would be 7 units. Now that we know the ratios of the velocity of B to the velocity of the bus and the velocity of A to the velocity of the bus, which is 1 to 12 and 1 to 16, we can find the ratio between the speeds of A and B and their distance, of course. So here, B is 1/11. This is B. And here, A is 1/15. Now to compare these two, we can multiply both sides by their LCM, and we get 15 to 11. So our final answer to this problem is 15 to 11. This is the ratio of the distance that they each walked.